Federal workplace safety officials are issuing 12 citations to a Washington County paper mill now. Back in January, 2 people died in a gas leak there. Since then, an investigation into the mill has continued. News and Maine's Ryan Bell joining us live in studio with today's developments. Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Brian. OSHA is proposing nearly $800,000 in fines to Woodland Pulp after an investigation found that the mill exposed employees to serious health and safety risks. 4 of the citations were for not providing workers with proper alarms or breathing devices. The other 8 were for a lack of employee training, failure to conduct medical evaluations, and neglecting to label chemicals or control chemical exposure risks. A CSB investigation found the leak occurred when chemicals mixed to create hydrogen sulfide, which is a toxic gas. The mill was in the process of temporarily shutting down at the time and had shut off its scrubber fan. That's a machine that sucks up some of those chemicals. OSHA says it opened 2 separate investigations into the company this year, one in January for the gas leak and then another in March for a hydrogen peroxide spill. Woodland Pulp has been inspected 13 times by the agency since 2017 and received 14 total citations prior to the incidents. The gas leak over the winter exposed 12 employees to hydrogen sulfide, killing 20-year-old engineering student Casey Malcolm and 26-year-old engineer Alan Hornberger. The attorney representing both families in a wrongful death lawsuit tells us they're seeking justice for the young men.
Of the tens and thousands of inspections OSHA conducts annually, there are only a few hundred serious willful violations. The fact that 4 were issued for what happened at Woodland Pulp really demonstrates the culture of safety that was lacking at this plant.
And a spokesperson for Woodland Pulp told News Center Maine the company is aware of those citations and is in the process of reviewing them, but they declined to comment further. Woodland Pulp now has 15 days to comply or appeal with OSHA's fines. In studio tonight, Ryan Bell, News Center Maine.